What a lovely morning it is. Happy hump day, everyone. First client of the day in with his recently acquired Honda CB1000R, one of my favorites. This is, he has seen a few of my videos, so he thought he would treat this to one of our full works packages. This is going to get everything we've got thrown at it, including quite a bit of polishing on all this bodywork. Typical black, shows every single mark. We've got lots of spider webs, lots of little marks to polish out. We will XCP clear coat all the lower halves. Got a few bits of corrosion already setting in, some 10,000 miles on this. Pointed out a few bits which need attending to. So yeah, we'll get this all cleaned up, get all that exhaust all polished. We'll mist the lower half with the XCP clear coat, which will neutralize any rust that's on there and prevent any further. And then we're going to crack on with some serious paint correcting. Like I said, good old black shows every single mark. We'll get that all polished out, get as many of those removed as possible, and then we're going to treat this to the Ultimaxx Signature quartz, which is a self-healing ceramic. Should help with any scratches in the future. So enough of my jibber jabber. Let's get cracking, get this thing cleaned up, get it in the studio, get it looking like it should. Crack on with a bit of detailing. Watch this space.
What's mine is mine, what's yours is yours. These bars in every measure, homie, get them in force. Like the 18 Beatles in every season. Can't forget me, plus the Trinity I believe in. I'm breathing. Either get Sunday morning, my reason. Everything that the Lord did, he got it right the first time. Yeah, you see with both your eyes. This right here is me, unapologetically jet black and free. I ain't trying to be what they want me to be. Scared of the weird, following all the trends. Over backwards, that ain't the way I've been gone.
Comfortable in my own skin. I like who I am. The good vibes keep on pumping. Turn it up, that's my jam. I feel good. How you feeling? I feel good. So good. Comfortable in my own skin. I like who I am. The good vibes keep on pumping. Turn it up, that's my jam. I feel good. How you feeling? I feel good.
Okay. Now fully washed, decontaminated, degreased, debugged, fully blow dried and in the studio. First step was to put some chain lube on, make sure that's all fully lubed up. Next step is to touch up a few rusty bits and pieces. We've got a couple of rusty brackets, a bit of rust on the weld there. Banjo bolts need a little attention, a few nuts and bolts, a few brackets we will touch up, as well as the bottom of this shock. No sense in putting any corrosion protection on it until those bits are painted. Looks like it's fallen over at some point. Might have a bit of paint that's close to that, so I might dust that with a bit of paint just to cover up those scratches, and then we'll crack on with the old paint correcting. Let's get these bits touched up first.
Jamming in the hood loud. When you roll slow in the lane with a whip with no stains, get a taste with the fame like hanging with my big homie solo. Standing still ain't better than slow-mo. Favorite ain't fair, we live a blessed life. Talking all that trash on the best style. What they wanna say now? Hate if you wanna hate, but y'all can't kill my vibe.
Okay, lower half is now complete. All that exhaust has been mirror polished up like new. Look at that. We've XCP'd the motor. I've ceramic the wheels. We touched up a few rusty bits and pieces. I dusted that cover there that was all scratched. We put the Ultimaxx Trim-X on all this plastic trim. Looking pretty sweet already. Look at that exhaust. Come up like new. Now time to crack on with this bodywork. So we're going to do, like I said earlier, a two-stage polish. I'll get the light out and let's point out a few of the trouble bits. As you can see, there's quite a few spider webs on that paintwork. We're going to crack on. We use the Cortec. We start out with their new 4000, then we'll finish off with the 12,000. No sense in putting any ceramic on with this paintwork is like this. Good old black shows every single mark. Let's crack on with a bit of polishing, see if we can improve that. Check this out, we've just done one quick run with the new Cortec Rapid Cut 4000. Look at this. Before, after, look at that. Before, so you can see after. one quick run. There you go, just over 3.5 hours. This Honda CB1000R has been fully trotted. Oh my God, this thing is looking freaking sweet. This has had one of our legendary full works packages. If you've been following along, this has had everything we've got thrown at it. We've XCP'd all the lower half because it's had a few miles on it, got a little bit of corrosion. Touched up a load of rusty bits and pieces first before we applied any XCP. These wheels have all been ceramic coated with the Ultimaxx Signature Pro. All the bodywork has had a 2-3 stage machine polish and all treated with the Ultimaxx Signature Quartz, which is a self-healing ceramic. Look at that freaking gloss on there. Absolutely dripping in it like a mirror. All the exhaust has been mirror polished up. All the plastics have been dressed with the Ultimaxx Trim-X, which is a ceramic infused plastic dressing. All your calipers, banjo bolts have all had a nice little brushing of the XCP. Absolutely gleaming. Look at that collector box, like new. Side stand painted. I dusted that cover with a little bit of paint just to cover up those scratches that was on it. All the chains been re-lubed. All done. Just over 3.5 hours. Get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. 07966 249 963.